Morning, right? Morning, good morning. Guys, I'm there a while ago. I don't want to go live, but I can't go live. Can't bother with the live, I know. Breakdown a while ago, guys. Guys, when I look at the whole situation of what going on in Jamaica, I tell you, say, anybody not have a heart? I tell you, as much as I come on social media, I say, yo, someone will just sick me stomach more time. You see the one when you're warming and a frag mouth one of him? Yeah. Yo, trust me. People, them man, they are just bullying at the House of Parliament and me. Yo, me not like a bully, bro. Me not like a bully. Anybody if you try bully me, brother, you better you talk me in my mouth more than bully me, brother. Me not like bully.
Trouble turn up TV. The struggle is real.
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understands it.
Morning, right? Morning, good morning. Guys, I'm there a while ago. I don't want to go live, but I can't go live. Can't bother with the live, I know. Breakdown a while ago, guys. Guys, when I look at the whole situation of what going on in Jamaica, I tell you, say, anybody not have a heart? I tell you, as much as I come on social media and cuss and say, yo, Jamaican people no deserve it, I not stop saying, I still feel no pain, but no one don't deserve it because, yo, no wicked against each other. You understand? No wicked against each other. And more time, me we come on social media and give my real opinion of things what me feel. And mile 3 point could be at risk too. You say me I deal with people, there's no freedom of speech. You see me I deal with, and the government of Jamaica is like, people feel say, yo, this man is so good and this man is doing all his best. Yes, me not say Andrew Wall is not try, but he more fix. Sorry people, he more fix and help people. We vote for them. That's what Labour Right Party always do. I mean, I tell you, say, even in a crisis like this, when everybody down there. So for me see one video where them a drive like a police vehicle. I want to chuck a give you food or somebody go down there. The people them a drive. I don't know if a police vehicle or what the fuck. But the kid people them a take the food off of the van. I want like a girl must jump up and grab one class case of soda or water. I say don't jump and drop. No, these people can't hurt themselves. Only Africa. Me also see them thing in a movie.
Turn up TV. The struggle is real.